EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich with your outlook for December 6th, 2023. It is Wednesday, middle of the work week, and the Wednesday video forecast is proudly sponsored by the KP Agency in Easton, Pennsylvania. Aren't we all tired of seeing Joe Namath talking about Medicare on TV? Free grocery cards and money back in your Social Security if you're over 65. Truth be told, most of that rhetoric doesn't even apply to the vast majority of folks. When you call those numbers on TV or answer the phone from a telemarketer, you're most likely going to be switched out of your current insurance and put into a plan that doesn't suit your current needs. Why rely on a stranger at the other end of the phone to help you with such an important life decision? The KP Agency in downtown Easton is an independent source you can count on for an unbiased review and direction on your Medicare plan choices, and at no cost to you for doing so. The deadline for annual enrollment for Medicare ends this Thursday, as in tomorrow. So don't wait. Give Kristen a call or text at 908-329-7140. That's 908-329-7140, or visit them online at thekpa.net. They are the KP Agency in Easton, proud sponsors of the Wednesday video forecast. So today we have a deep trough that's sitting over the region, which is right here. Now, we did have a little bit of some areas had some flurries, snow showers, even though the temperature was above freezing in many areas. I'm looking over at my weather system right now, and it's saying it is 37.9 degrees outside. I can confirm it is in fact snowing here. Not sticking, of course, but it is snowing lightly at the time of recording this video, and I'm like just north of Allentown, Lehigh Valley International Airport by about 5 miles or so. So straight line distance. But I mean, we're getting a little bit of light snow. We had some light snow across the Poconos. We are going to have a little bit of that today. You can't really see it here. It's little patches of gray here. See this? Little patches of gray here and there. So there is some leftover snow showers are going to take place in some areas this morning, and then clouds are going to give way to sun across the region. Here's what the NAM has for 6 o'clock in the morning. Again, across the Poconos, a few light snow showers or flurries, and that's going to continue to move south and east and then dissipate during the course of the morning. And then, again, clouds are going to give way to sun today. So it will be a pretty nice afternoon under the fact that it's going to be chilly. Temperatures 38 to 45, as you see above me, is the temperature spread. And then tomorrow, very similar, 39 to 44. So not quite as warm in our southeastern areas and about the same in the interior. We do have another system coming at us on Thursday. This is actually a warm front. If you look at these heights, so this is where the trough is right here. See where the blue line, I was going to outline where the trough is. That's where it is. It's in a process of exiting. And again, this is changing sizes all the time on me. I'm not sure why it's doing that all the time. The point is it's going to continue to lift out in this direction on Thursday, and it's going to be aided by a warm front and a very weak system that's rounding that warm front as it moves south and east. There is a possibility of a few snow showers again on Thursday, and you can see that on the NAM as well as we move through into Thursday. This is mainly Thursday morning, as you can see here, into early afternoon. A few snow showers across mainly the northern tier, north of I-78. A few of these might get a little bit further south again, just like we had last night, and you're going to have again early this morning. Not a real big deal here. No accumulations really expected largely from this. Maybe the higher elevations get a quick coating or something like that, but that's about it. Okay. After this is a warm front, so this is going to send temperatures warmer by the time we get to Friday, and we'll be on either side of 50 degrees on Friday. So the next couple of days are going to be chillier, as you see above me. Then we're on either side of 50 degrees with a mix of clouds and sun here on Friday. Same thing here on Saturday with a mix of clouds and sun, and we're expecting temperatures to get closer to the middle 50s for highs on Saturday. Then we get to Sunday. Now, this has the potential, this is going to cut through the Great Lakes. We know that. But this has potential to bring a kind of an odd variety of weather for what you would expect for the month of December. We're not dealing with any snow, no wintry precipitation, but there could be some heavy rain involved with this. There could also be some thunderstorms, maybe even some severe thunderstorms that will take place with this. So we have to watch this. There could be a line of storms coming through overnight Sunday night. So we have to keep an eye on this, and the timing of this looks like it's going to come in on Sunday afternoon, because there's the morning right there. It's not here yet. You get in the afternoon, you get some advanced showers coming in, but once you get to the evening and overnight is really when the bulk of this comes in on Sunday night. So Sunday might not be a total wash in the morning. It's going to be cloudy, obviously, but you might hold off if you have something last minute to do in the morning. And then the heavier stuff comes through overnight. And again, we have the potential for severe weather, some windy conditions also with this. You see the isobars, which are these lines of equal pressure that are very close to being on top of each other. These are these black lines here, lines of equal pressure. Since they're so close there, that means you have a tight pressure gradient. When you have a tight pressure gradient, you have windy conditions. So we're expecting windy conditions here with this on Sunday, and it's the worst of this is going to be most likely, well, during the day it's gonna be breezy all day, so kind of like a 10 to 15, gusting 20 to 25, maybe 30 during the day. Once you get the overnight, evening and overnight, I think is when you have your worst period here, and it's going to be Sunday night for the wind. I don't want to get into exact numbers yet because this is going to change around a little bit between now and then, and timing may as well too. The timing is one of the last things we nail down, but I mean this has a potential to produce some 40, 45 mile per hour gusts without even trying here. So just a synoptically driven, very strong system. This gets the European model I'm showing you here has a very strong low in the upper eastern Great Lakes that cuts in this way and intensifies to a 976 millibar low, which is pretty deep, which is why you have that wind potential. So this is going to move through rather quickly, though. By the time we get to Monday morning, I think we're done with this, and we're just going to be clouds giving way to sun. Still breezy in the wake of the system on Monday. Not sure if it's going to be like crazy windy. I think it's going to be mostly sunny night that you're dealing with that really crazy wind. Maybe Monday morning it's a little breezier than the afternoon as this pulls away. And then again, clouds give way to sun, and then mostly sunny to round out our 7-day forecast period on Tuesday. So we're going to follow this Sunday system very closely because, again, it has the potential to have some high-impact stuff, with a lot of our private clients, especially with wind concerns, power outages, that kind of thing. That does have that potential, might have some severe weather with it. We talked about thunderstorms possible yesterday in the video. That might have a severe weather aspect to it, too. Not looking at tornadoes in this setup. This synoptic setup like this is most likely going to be straight line winds is what we're looking for in any kind of thunderstorm activity. If you look at the vorticity here, oops, I don't want to do that. Okay, let's get back to the vorticity. You can see this is really wrapping up. It would just be a line coming through probably overnight, probably after midnight, according to the European model. When this line came through, you would have a potent line of strong straight line winds with this. This is not a setup for tornadoes. But we will turn sharply cooler behind this. Very warm Sunday, but on the opposite side, Monday and Tuesday, we turn sharply cooler and slightly below average again. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for December 6th, 2023. Have a great Wednesday.